Hello friends, today's topic is earnings from the free app UPI. Making payments via Unified Payments Interface UPI is easy and completely free. Yet Google Pay and Phone Pay together earned over rupees 5,000 crores last year. How did they achieve this without selling any physical product? The answer lies in their unique business model, which is built on trust, scale, and innovation. Let's understand how these companies generate revenue. First is voice enabled speakers in Kirana stores. A large part of their income comes from small neighborhood shops. Apps like PhonePe earn profits from voice enabled speaker services used at these shops. These are the speakers that announce transactions with phrases like rupees so and so received via PhonePe. Each speaker is provided on a monthly rental of rupees 100 with more than 3 million stores using these services. This data is obtained from website support@india.com. The platforms earn about rupees 30 crore per month and rupees 360 crore annually. This helps them to build customer trust and also helps shopkeepers manage transactions efficiently. Second is scratch cards or an advertising tool. Another major revenue driver is scratch card, which offer users small rewards like rupees 12 cashback or discount coupons. But these are not just for users, but they are a new form of advertising channel for brands. Brands pay Google Pay and Phone Pay to feature their names and offers through these cards and increase their visibility among millions of users. This provides dual benefits to the platforms: user engagement and brand revenue. This model works like an ROI generating machine. ROI stands for return on investment. Third is SaaS offering and lending services. These companies have also transformed UPI's reliability into a software as a service SaaS layer. They offer tools like GST help, invoice generation, and microloans to small businesses. While UPI was just the gateway, the real businesses lies in software and financial services. The best part of this model is that it operates with zero customer acquisition cost CAC. If you find this interesting, please like the video and keep connected to Phizifer. Thank you for watching.